Hello YouTubers, there go to the Water Wizard 1.0 car wash at Sooner Car Wash.
Is it off to the right?
Yep, there's the automatic bay over there.
See it there. What kind of system is it?
A Water Wizard 1.0.
Okay. Is that a good or an old system?
It's an old system.
Okay. But if it's touchless, it should be fine.
Yeah. Oh yes, they still have touchless.
Okay, let's look at the menu.
Yep.
What's it say?
Okay, Deluxe Wash is $7. Wash and Wax is $6. Wash and Rinse is $5.
Oops, it's portable.
Yeah, give him the name.
Yep. Oh, he does it. So we got to back up a little bit. There you are, cameraman.
Yep.
All right,
So
let's give this a try.
Yep. There's a retrofit Hamilton Auto Cashier pay station over there.
How do I look? Left, right?
The right side is... Okay, so...
I think I look good.
Yeah. Okay, we'll inch forward a bit.
I think I'm doing it good.
Yep.
Better than our other driver, huh?
Yeah. I agree. Yeah.
It's not better than the other driver.
With rails,
Looks like that that letter is faded.
Very
Look at
much.
that.
A little squeaky, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this is a 1.0. What do they have now? 2 or 3.0s?
Well, there's only 1.0 and 2.0s.
Oh, this is the Water Wizard.
Yep, 1.0.
You actually got me to go to a Water Wizard.
Yep, a 1.0.
You tricked me.
I was gonna do an extra passive get in the back for the boom. You hear that squeak?
Oh,
Is that because it's a 1.0?
I'm
Yeah.
hearing hissing too. But it seemed like a gentle wash, so
Yeah.
hopefully it'll be a great wash because
Yeah.
it's not so powerful.
Yeah. Hey Dad, I think if you took your truck here, I think you have to keep it straight. Because you remember that time in Calero?
That clump?
Yeah. It was saying soak in and now it's saying wash. Hey Dad, you remember that Water Wizard wash in Calero? When you went over something and all of a sudden the guy had to wave you?
Oh, Clare, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Weren't they working on it when we got there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were worried that we weren't even going to be able to use it, huh?
Good
Yeah.
Oklahoma.
Even though I think if we took the Silverado here, we would have to keep the vehicle straight. Well, it looks like they have a dry dryer.
Should I have put the mirrors in? It's too late now. Oh, it's touchless.
It's touchless.
We're good.
But it's pretty close over there to the left side, huh?
Yeah.
I centered us.
Huh.
Standard and cars. Check out.
What was that? Did y'all feel that?
Nothing touched the vehicle.
Huh, wonder what was that. I can see a leak coming out of the
You felt that too, didn't you?
Oh,
Yeah.
Of water though, not
I
contact.
don't know. It felt like we got pushed.
yeah.
Well, this will show us everything, right? With the videos.
Camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's saying rinse, but it's facing the wrong way.
Oh my God. No.
Oh wow. Oh boy.
Clear coat protectant. So it looks like we did not even get a tri-foam. Spot-free rinse.
Well, that'll be in the review, right? And that's not going to touch our vehicle, right?
Hopefully not. It's not doing anything. He's right about that. Ooh, it is totally the opposite direction.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Are we supposed to go through?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're going to get a bad review on this
Yep.
one.
Just because it needs some fixing.
Okay, where's our timer?
Looks like there's no timer.
No timer. Yeah, I think we're going to call this one not a good wash.
Yep. YouTubers.
Avoid this one, guys.
And
Yeah.
it's still spraying water.
Yeah.
Yep.
How are you going to get dry if it's still spraying
Yeah.
water?
We're going to get dry as we drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still spraying water. There's no point in waiting for the dryer. Guys, this is... Oh, and look how quick the dryer went anyway.
Yeah.
Yep. This
I'm gonna show you the car real quick.
Yeah. No.
See all that stuff on the car, YouTubers? YouTubers, I don't recommend this wash, YouTubers.
Ain't nothing but bugs.
Yeah.
Actually, the car looked worse than what it started when it went in.
Honestly,
Yeah.
yeah, this was actually a bogus one.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we won't come back here, okay?
Right. Don't go here
Okay. All right.
because they're too lazy to fix the machine.
But sometimes a bad review helps the YouTubers, right?
Yep.
Okay. So guys,
Like maybe a bad review might make them fix the machine.
we helped you.
Yep. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye. Cheers. This was a Water Wizard 1.0 car wash at Sooner Car Wash. Bye.